Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today's video kind of went into two different hairstyles. I did at first just a little regular half up half down, but for two reasons. One being I kind of overplucked this wig, and for two being that this lace is kind of dark. It just wasn't working in my favor, so I ended up changing it to a little swoop right here, a little ponytail, and this is the look. I'm gonna go ahead and include the footage of me doing the half up half down anyway, but I'm also gonna throw on the swoop at the end. So hope you guys enjoy and keep on watching.
All I gotta say is mwah, and you already know who it is.
Today's hair is from Curlyme. Here it is. It is a 24-inch. I think this is water wave. I could be wrong because it's giving me very much curly. Yeah, some water waves look different than other water waves, but this one's giving me curly. I already cut the lace off on the front. This tutorial can be doubled as like putting on a wig that you've already worn before, although I haven't worn this wig, but you know, this is about how your wig would look if it was not worn already, you know? This is how I would go about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this wig cap off because I don't like wearing wig caps because I feel like you can see the line of demarcation when I do glueless. And I'm gonna go ahead and do this like Arrogant Taste style. I'm gonna use my ORS grip gel, and I'm just gonna add like 2 layers and let that dry down, and I can come back again when it's all dried down. But hey y'all, how y'all doing? So yeah, I'm just gonna add like a little layer. I might just even add the 1. Maybe if I'm feeling frisky, I'll do 2. I don't really plan on keeping this wig on too long. Just gonna do this little quick install. Something quick, something easy. It's 3:43. I want to get this done in like, I was gonna say 20 minutes, but I don't know if that was realistic. We'll say 20 minutes to see what happens. I got my first layer on. I think I am gonna do 2 layers. I think I like the grip gel a lot more than the liquid gold, only because it's stickier and it's not as loose, so it doesn't take as long to dry, which is like a lot for me. Like that matters. I can't be sitting here waiting on gel to dry. I got a wig to put on. And then it's not all the way dry, but I'm gonna go ahead and add this second layer so I can go ahead and grab my blow dryer while it's drying and then blow dry it down a little bit more. And then after this layer gets tacky, we're gonna stick the wig on. So now that the gel is tacky, I'm gonna try to put on my wig without interfering with the gel. And then also my ear tabs aren't cut, so I'm gonna just go off of this. This is not transparent lace, so my goal here is to make it look as good as possible. I've got a little rippling in this front section right here, but I'm hoping that'll go away once I add the elastic band. I'm not sure why my hair is rippling. If you guys know why that happens, I would love to find out. I feel like the side is messed up, but I'm gonna deal with that when that time comes. As for now, I'm gonna just get back all the hairs that are like underneath the elastic band. Just gonna make sure that they're not interfering with anything. But I feel like this will look good. Like this is gonna be a nice install. I'm gonna do like a kind of half up half down. I'm gonna just do a little ponytail in the middle right here and leave the sides out. Cause I want my hair to be really big. And I'm gonna throw some ballies on a little ponytail and call it a day. That's gonna be the look. Now I'm gonna take it off. I don't know if it's been long enough, but I'm really hoping I don't embarrass myself when I take this elastic band off. Like I'm just hoping. Oh wow, that was pleasant. And I think the rippling went away. So that's super pleasant. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my ear tabs off. Yeah, the rippling went away. That's great. And the lace doesn't look too terrible. I know when I do some baby hair, like it'll look even better. I probably did leave too much of this lace on though. I ain't need all this lace. Okay, ear tab cut off time. But yeah, no, I'm not a medium brown lace bitch. I really do miss HD. But with this lace shortage, I really can't complain whatever lace I get. But as soon as them niggas say they got some lace in stock, stop giving me this. But it's okay, because when you know how to finesse shit, it's okay. Because you gonna finesse it. Because I'm a finesser and a fly dresser. What song is that? I'm a finesser and I'm a fly dresser. Is that Megan? Is that Megan Thee Stallion? It seems like a Megan Thee Stallion lyric, don't it? Okay, so there's a little bit of a lift on the sides, but that's okay because we're still not done. Yeah, this looks pretty decent. Just decent though. Just decent. I'm gonna pick the baby hairs that are gonna be out. Now remember when I was saying that it was okay that the sideburns didn't stay all the way? This is why. Now I'm gonna do that second spray like Arrogant Tay does. With the ORS Super Hold Spray around the edges, and then one more time with the elastic band, and then we can get to doing our baby hair and styling. And I'm gonna cut these too because I don't have time for these to just be in my face. I'm already gonna cut them. Like, we might as well just hit them like that. Hit them with the, yeah. And then elastic band time. I think I'm gonna separate the hair. No, actually I might need some of it. Okay, blow dry time. I was gonna say that I was gonna start doing a ponytail while this was on still, but then I realized like I'm gonna need my baby hair for my sides, so I guess it's fine. Blow dry time. I think what I like about the ORS product so much, well, let me hopefully not jinx this. I jinxed it a little bit, but that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Stuff is stuck. I think what I like so much about the ORS products is that they dry so fast. I hate waiting on gels to dry. It's like I have other shit to do. I got a style to do. I have a style to commence with. That makes sense. Anyway, yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna just go ahead and get rid of some of this excess lace right here because this is just not necessary. And that's fine. It don't gotta be here. Nobody's forcing it to be here. We're not gonna, you know, it's okay. It can go. So we gonna let it go. I'm just gonna cut in a zigzaggy motion because I don't like any harsh lines of demarcation. So my camera cut out a little bit, so I did this side of my baby hair to kill some time while it charged up a little bit. So now I can do this middle section. I'm gonna just cut it, you know. I don't want these too long or nothing. I hope that wasn't a mistake. I'm gonna use the grip gel for this. I was about to add some mousse, but y'all know mousse and me do not be clicking. My wig get to slipping. So we're not even gonna deal with that. I'm gonna use this grip gel and I'm gonna just try to mold it right the first time. I feel like when you use gel to do these little baby hairs, you have to just really try to get it right the first time and just hope that when you go to touch them up, like, they still look good, because sometimes they be looking a little too hard and not as wispy as they should be looking, you feel me? And I haven't done one of these in a little minute. I already did a little end right here going back into the hair, and I usually like to do the ends before I do the main part anyway. I think I kind of like what I'm doing. I don't know what it is, but I'm doing a little, I'm trying to make it more wispy. Ooh, I don't know what this is, but I kind of like it. It's giving what it would look like if I moussed it. For real, for real. Huh, well, that's pleasant. I think I kind of like that. Okay, time for the other side. I'm using a mix of the grip gel and my edge control. This looks really good, actually. I'm gonna speed this process up and I'll come back once I'm doing a little ponytail. Now my baby hair is done. That's what we looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and take out this little clip. It's lost in it. Ooh, where the little clip then went missing in a little bun. Now I'm just gonna spray a little bit of water at the base. I'm gonna try really hard to not to do this multiple times because y'all know me. Y'all know me. I'm gonna just try real hard to just get this one and done. I'm gonna try to do this one time. I got 2 rubber bands on my little nail. One time, let's get it. I think I actually might have to get a little hair tie, so I'm gonna go get a real hair tie, not no rubber bands. I think that's gonna work out. No, I think I gotta wet this up. I think that's what curly hair gotta be slippery to get through the cracks. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get all this hair in the back to get out my face, and I'm gonna wet this up, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna put it in a real ponytail because Thought I had to sneeze. I guess not. This is the final look. I'm feeling away about what the way this ponytail look. It's giving me wig. It probably is not gonna give y'all wig, and probably when I go back to look at this footage, it probably will still give me wig. But at this current moment in time, I'm not sure what the little voiceover has said, but here I am to you know, do this again. This lace is just far too dark for me, and I tried to like it, you know. I thought it was okay, and it was okay at first, but this lace is too motherfucking dark. So I'm about to do my best to make this as wearable as possible. So I might change the style up a little bit. Before I just did a regular half up, half down, but I think I'm gonna add a swoop so that you cannot see as much lace. You'll only see this little piece right here, and even then I think I can try to blend that a little better. So we're gonna try to see if I can do this. Okay. And the best part about this is that your part can be like whatever color you want it to be, because you know it's your part. Okay, so now I got my little parting out. Maybe I'll round this. I don't think it'll matter, but it made me feel good if this is rounded. Okay, so here's my parting space. This is what we're working with. And now I'm just gonna add some edge control. You know what I'm using. Don't act surprised. It's the Sweetie Kiss edge control. And get everything down so that the flyaways and shit. I don't know, girl. It just feel right. I don't be having a rhythm or reason. I just be want to do stuff because it makes sense in my head. Okay, so now that this section is sectioned off, I'm just gonna leave it out for now, and I'm gonna do the ponytail again. Hopefully my lace don't lift, but it probably will. Actually, I'm gonna fix my baby hair and shit off camera, and I'm gonna come back when I actually am ready to put this in a ponytail. So I have my hair separated. I got my little front piece separated. I have the back of the hair separated so that I won't get in contact with the little ponytail up here. Now I think I'm gonna do the ponytail with the elastic band on, just so you know, for security purposes. You know, you can never be too secure. I'm gonna spray a little bit of ORS on it. I also already sprayed a little bit of water on the root of the hair just so I can smooth it out. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this around. Hopefully I get it right on the first try. Woo, it's hot as fuck in this room now. I'm gonna cover this in mousse. This mousse is from the brand Bumble and Bumble. It is their BB Curl Mousse. And I'm just gonna throw that on. Okay, now that this is all wet and slick, I'm about to use some more of this jelly for this. This is getting nice. I'm just gonna start smoothing this over. Speed this up. I ain't got shit else to talk about. Okay, so now, and they did cover up the little bobby pin, so that's great. I really have this really defined section of curls right here, but also I have no products on the rest of the hair, which is fine because I really want my hair to be big, and curling me hair is always good, like regardless of if it has product on it or not. So now I guess we can take out the back, and then we can zoom out a little bit. I put on this little scarf because I just want to make sure everything was gonna lay flat and all that good shit. So now it's time to take her off. That was not terrible. We love having low expectations so that if it's just shitty, we can just think that it's amazing. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Rhinestones on your nails be real cute till they get caught on stuff. My nose is so cute though. I don't think I zoomed out at all. I just backed up a little bit. But hey, this is the final look. This looks a lot better to me than yesterday because it's a lot easier to hide the fact that my lace is dark as fuck. But here's the style. Hope you guys enjoyed. Before I had to rush and like hurry up and end my video, so now I get to space it out. Make sure you definitely follow me on Instagram, Beauty via JaLeah. Check out Curlyme Hair. Their curly hair is great. Like I never have any issues with their curly hair. Their lace. Next time y'all, can y'all please send me some transparent lace, please? Cause this medium brown, it's not for your girl. It only look good on camera, and in real life I just look like I got a hat on. My brown babies out there, a little medium brown lace wouldn't hurt you, but it hurt me a little bit. So if you're a little chocolatey and you looking for a wig, don't be shy. Get you one of these. My light skinned folks, be weary, cause it ain't for you. So here's the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next video. Bye, beautiful.